Well, good whatever time of the day to you. I am finally off after doing 6 straight, and I've got 3 closes in a row to go. So, a little bit on a time crunch, but I mean, it happens to us all if we are working. So, I've just been taking some of the tall grasses and continually putting them in this bin and letting the hibiscus work its way through. Got some more buds going on. That's great. It's going to be more tea. I did also transplant a carrot into a soil mix that I made sure did not have the same kind of obstructions in the soil that were there previously. And for those of you who do not know, when you're growing carrots, you do want to have as few obstructions for that root as possible, and you will get bigger and better carrots out of it. And sometimes that requires a little bit of processing of the soil, but this transplant is looking mighty alive and doing just fine, and that's really cool. But just so if you've ever had the question, can I do it and can I put it in a better kind of soil? Yes, you can. You just have to be careful, and you just have to go ahead and make sure you have a bit of a sandy mix. And I mixed, of course, the sugar sand that is all around here into my soil mix, and then my perlite and everything else, and vermiculite. And now we're looking pretty darn good right there, because this thing is bouncing back fast from the transplant. So I'm expecting a pretty good red carrot right there. And I know it's a red one because I transplanted it, but that's going to be amazing.